In this video, I will show you how to customize your Google Chrome homepage. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots up here, and on this menu you want to come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto appearance. In here, you've got some things you can do. For example, you can change the theme, the mode, so from light to dark. You can also change the font size and customize fonts, and there's a ton of things you can do from here. There's also the option to change your search engine. If you click on search engine, you can choose that from here. And what you can also do is click on startup, and you can choose what's going to happen when you start up Chrome, whether you want to continue where you left off so you don't lose any of your open tabs, or you can just open the new tab page. Now, once you've done that, another thing you can do is if you actually come up and click the plus icon to open up a new tab, you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner a button to customize Chrome. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open this window on the right hand side where you can go ahead and further customize Chrome by changing, for example, the colors. Also, you can change the theme from here by clicking, and you can see a ton of different themes you can use. So there's a couple of default. You can also upload an image from your PC, or you can also go to the Chrome Web Store to find further themes. So that's how to customize your Google Chrome homepage. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.